I love living at Charlotte Court because it's great here making friends in the common room. It's just easy and social.
It's a really nice, calm, relaxing environment to live in, and we've got brilliant staff on site.
There's always somebody in the receptions 24 hours. If I buy something from the internet, they are going to receive it for me.
The community here is really great. I found it very easy to join Facebook groups, which I'd encourage you to do as well.
The community I found is really great here. You've got people to chat to all the time. It's just so friendly.
My bedroom has everything I need.
There's a real nice comfy bed, there's a desk, a wardrobe and plenty of storage. I love having an ensuite because it means I don't have to share with anybody else. It makes things a lot easier in the morning.
The kitchen is the only place that we share, so it's a place that I can cook with my friends.
In our kitchen we've got 3 sofas, we've got the stove, so many cabinets, 2 sinks. We have a fridge freezer in ours, everything we need.
On site there is a common room that I frequently use.
We go there and play pool, we've got darts there, there's table tennis there.
It's fantastic for getting your friends around, having a good time, relaxing, watching telly, playing a bit of pool.
The location here is brilliant. It's 10 minutes from university, 15 minutes from city centre. Around we've got all the shops we need, so I don't have to go too far. It's perfect for me.
We've also got car parking on site.
Having all the bills included is really great. I feel really comfortable not having to worry about them from month to month.
Charlotte Court is perfect if you want an easy, social, fun place to live.
If you want to meet new people, make new friends, it's a good place to stay.
Charlotte Court is really great if you want a great location, some awesome new friends and some really good staff to help you around.